5 things that are worth your money, especially if you're done with your loans. Not only sa abroad, but also sa Pilipinas. Kung humana mga utang, these are the 5 things that you have to buy. Number 5 are watches. Watches are better because it can sell compared to bags. Nga pag naanay dents, if there are scratches on those bags, you will have a hard time selling it. So I believe watches are better than bags. Number 4 are making a small business. And you might be asking, Sir Migs, nga namang small business is not on your number 1? I personally don't like to have a business. I just want to work. I want to be an employee and get paid to do it. Number 3 is enroll in self-development. If you're a teacher, it could be master's, doctoral degree. And if you are someone who's not on the teaching world, it's okay because enrolling in self development is such a big opportunity for you to connect with other people. And of course, lifelong learning. Number 2 is properties. Number 2 ang properties because properties in the Philippines gets more expensive like every year, every month, as early as you can buy a property. Pwedeng gamay lang. If you can buy a bigger one, that's better. And then divide it into smaller portions so it's easier to sell. Number 1 is 18 karat gold. Nothing is easier to sell than 18 karat gold. It gets more expensive. Buy in UAE, Qatar, Dubai, Saudi Arabia. And I like 18 karat gold because when there's emergency, you can sell it better and easier compared to properties. So nga namang properties and 18 karat gold again, ganahan ko ani because kung ang market mag-crash or kanang digital world, kanang Bitcoin, whatever, if there is a crash on the internet or like the digital world, safe kaayo ka sa properties and 18 karat gold. These are the 5 things that you can invest when you're done sa imong mga utang. I hope this helped. Have a good day. 5 things para dili na ta magsalig og sugal para lang mo asenso aning kinabuhi. O pasagdaan na to nas iba na. Kamo, ug unsa na yung mga promote dihang mga sugal-sugal, aning kamot lang yung sa iyong kinabuhi. Kay ang sugal, wa gunay kasiguraduan, magkalas-kalas na siya kwarta. So, these are the 5 things that will help you hopefully mo asenso sa life without sugal. Number 5 is consume less. Have you ever asked yourself, kapila man ka magtanaw og mga reels or videos, YouTube in a day? 4 hours, 3 hours, daghan kay kang mabuhat ana. And as you're watching the vloggers and content creators, they are earning from your views. So nakakwarta sila kay sige man ka og tan-aw sa ilaha. And number 4, learn a new skill. The opportunities are unlimited using the internet. So instead nga magsige kag tan-aw sa mga vlogger, why not learn a new skill mo? Enroll ka og a tutorial nga pwede nimong maka-improve sa imong mga skill in whatever career you want, or maybe a hobby that you want to become your business someday. Number 3 is strive for growth. Every day is a day to learn. Strive for growth. Ayaw ka kontento og asa ra ka karon. You have to strive for growth because this is not only for yourself but also for the future of your family. Number 2, delayed gratification. Katong nadawat ko sa DepEd, wala din ko ni kuha og motor. Kay I know, pag makakuha ko motor, magsige na ko sa laag, and of course, magsige na ko gasto. So what I did, nag-enroll ko og masters. Katong sa masters na ko, mo to yung way na nahimo kong teacher 3, even before ko nilangyaw sa abroad. So katong pagka-teacher 3 na ko, nidako pud ako ang sweldo. So sometimes in life, naagod ay kinahanglang i-sacrifice. You have to weigh your options. Dili pwede nga sige lingaw-lingaw lang. There should be a balance sa lingaw-lingaw o of course the future of your career. And of course, last one, create more, which is connected to consume less. Create more, consume less. It doesn't mean nga mag-create ka og reels, but create more memories with your friends and family. Ang outside world nimo, dili kaning internet. Kay kaning internet, it's not the real world. The real world, your real connections are your friends and family. And again, karong 30 na ta, 30 na ta, we're halfway on our 60s. So, be intentional with your time, with your family and friends. Kay tunga-tunga na tas kinabuhi, guys. So, again, have fun. And I hope This helps. Hindi na ta magsugal-sugal kay kalas na siya kwarta. I hope you have a good day. 5 life hacks na kaya kayo nimong buhaton. Sa kinabuhi, daghan kay mga challenges almost every day. But the important thing is how you bounce back with more courage and of course a better individual. Ayaw kalimot, this life is not just about the money that we get but also how we inspire other people. Ato tas number 5, embrace the change. Sa kinabuhi, sa trabaho, there are so many changes that are happening. Deadlines, and how do you react on it? Saputon ba ka nga naay deadline? Or ikaw tong someone nga instead na magreklamo, magpadayon og trabaho para masubmit kung unsay kinahanglang i-submit, and then moves on to another project. So, productive ang adlaw instead nga puro lang sapot-sapot. Number 4, stop comparing. Sa English quote, comparison is a thief of joy. Napo na siya sa desiderata nga poem. Don't compare yourself to others because you will just become vain or insecure. For in life, there are people who are better or lesser than you are. Sa imong mga abilities, sa imong communication, sa imong kindness, we are all unique. So focus on your own pacing. Ang kinabuhi dili lumba. If you compare yourself with someone, that should be yourself and try to become a better individual every day. Number 3, build a community. Kanang nakita nato ron pickleball, mga sports, Zumba, pwede siya nga mga colleagues or life outside of work that you can be productive and of course you can forget about trabaho. Kaning pag-build nimo og community, these also are the people who will help you somehow, someday, nga mga tawo nga pwede maminaw sa imuha, makatabang sa imuha, and you also do the same to them. Sa life, dili kinahanglan unsa lang atong makuha, but of course, what we can give to other people. Number 2, enjoy the journey sa kinabuhi. Have fun. Dili pwedeng seryoso lang ta sige. Enjoying the journey means appreciating what you have every day and of course, remembering what you were yesterday. If imong hinumduman og asa ka sa una, it will keep you humble and it will keep you grateful. Number 1, give grace to yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Sa kinabuhi, it's all about the lessons that you learned and it's up to you unsa nga lesson sa kinabuhi ang imong i-practice every day. So give grace to yourself. Ayaw kahadlok masayo. Kay we all learn something from someone and of course from our experiences. So padayon lang taani. Mo na giingon nga laban lang alaksan. I hope these life hacks help you and I wish you all the best in your life.